Here is how to start a side hustle in 2024. Now, the number one thing you need to do is to understand your passion. What are you passionate about? Do you understand? What are you passionate about? What are your skills? What skill do you have? There are some skills that you have. You might not, go through any professional training for that skill, but then you have those skills inbuilt with you. Meanwhile, you're welcome to Tribe Mastery Hub. This is a channel that educates and impacts you, and make sure you're on the right track consistently. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and make sure you share to multiple people so that people will see this video. Now, back to the business of the day. Understanding your passion is very, very key and very, very paramount. If you understand your passion, for instance, you might be a driver or you might be a customer care representative, but then within you, you know how to talk. There are so many people that can pay you for talking. Oh yes, there are many people out there looking for who can just talk to them, and they will pay you for that. Do you understand? There are many occupations, there are many people, okay, even just to write, people pay people to write. If your passion is, you have passion for writing, you can start a side hustle with that. Don't worry, I will also tell you how to go about it. Now, if you also know, if there are some person that they can actually gist, talking is business. You can start your side hustle just to keep people company, become an orator, become there is a lot of money you can make by just talking. Passion, like I said, passion. What is your passion? Identify your passion. Now, some of you might be mistaking your passion for your profession. No, there is a big difference between your profession and your passion. Sometimes you are in a job because you just needed the money to survive, right? You needed the paycheck to survive. Now, that is not what I'm talking about here. Passion is something that you are so passionate about, and you can go extra mile, not even to collect money. Sometimes you don't even charge people for that. But then there is a level you need to transist from being passionate about it and become professional. I don't know if you are following me. Just follow me. I'm seeing number one step. There are about 3 steps you need to do to start making money fast in this 2024. The year is running out. If you do this in the next 3 months, you will come back here and thank me. Identify your passion. Then the number 2 thing you need to understand is who needs your service, who needs that thing you are passionate about. That is identifying your niche. Remember, there is always a market for every product. The problem in marketing is when you are selling something to the wrong people. I don't know if you understand me. So you want to identify a particular niche that you will specialize, that your passion falls in between. For instance, you cannot sell undies, like women undies or G-string pants to men. Why? That is the wrong audience to sell. The people that can buy it could be maybe people that want to buy for their wife. But ideally, there are people that needs what you want. For instance, there is this client of mine. Then he needed someone to do a copywriting for him. Meanwhile, then I was doing the website design for him and all that. So he needed a copywriter. So I myself, I know that I can do copywriting, but then that is not my area and I'm not interested. That doesn't mean if it comes, I won't accept it. I could actually get it and give to someone else. But then what did I do then? What I did was simply I have to contact someone that I know that's his area. What am I trying to do? I identified my niche. I stayed there and I'm making some cool money from that. So you need to identify that your niche. It could be that, okay, fine, I am not interested in everybody, I'm just interested. For instance, if you're a fashion designer, you might say, no, I'm not interested in making every kind of clothes for any kind of persons. All right, now I'm so much interested in making clothes for family. I have once met a client that needed a website for such a thing. So I told him, who are your ID? I asked some questions. She said her ID is just for families. She doesn't want to do any other thing, just for families that want to do, sew clothes and all that. And he's making a whole lot of fun from there. Do you know one thing? People pay more when you are specialist than a generalist. That's true. Someone that you do everything, maybe you are a medical doctor, you do all, people will pay you less, they will not value you. But when you are a specialist, that you identify a particular niche you focus on, you will make a whole lot of money. Trust me. The number 3 thing you need to do is start reaching out, connecting, building contact, building relationship, showcasing yourself. Very important. Sometimes people will not know the value of what you have until you begin to show it out to the world. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. If you are gaining value already, please make sure you like this channel, share, and comment on this. Remember, I still remain your humble Mr. Nicholas. See you in my next video. Peace out.